yeah, baby. All you luscious llamas out there blew up my comment section and my DMs talking about I need to do Rap God. Some of you llamas out there said I can't do it. Oh, Carl, it's too fast. You're not good enough for that. You sound just like Judy, so you can get in the back of the line. I got 0 dimes for you, pal. Let's get it. I'm beginning to feel like a rap god. All my people from the front to the back nod. Now who thinks their arms are long enough to slap box? They said I rap like a robot, so call me Rapbot. For me to rap like a computer must be in my jeans. I got a laptop in my back pocket. My pin will go off when I half cock. I get a fat knot from that rap prof. I made a living in the killing office. Ever since Bill Clinton was stealing office with Monica Lewinsky feeling on his nutsack. Yo, cut the beat, Jimmy. This song is way too long, and I know what you guys are here for, so let's not waste any time. Listen real good, Judy. This is what you could have had. You were assuming I'm a what I gotta do to get through. I'm assuming you went in a bit of an purpose of atheist sins with a shade off of me. It'll go to you, I'm devastating with it. If you surely had a good motherfucking audience, if I like it's levitated, never fading out that I hate it forever. Rooting for the dead, and I can say for me, set a burning, cause I'm the way to get motivated. I'm like elevating music, you make elevator music. Oh yeah, Judy. Oh yeah, I wanted to talk